my channel. Today is day 4 of my vacation. It's actually the last full day at Disney World, and it's actually my 22nd birthday. I have my birthday pin right here, and it's about almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we've already done stuff earlier in the day today, but I'm gonna go ahead and play back the footage that I did get, and we are actually spending the whole day at Magic Kingdom. So I'll take you guys along on what we did this morning and early afternoon, and then I'll also film some clips later when we go back, because right now we're doing our little break thing again. So yeah, when we first got there, we went straight to Splash Mountain, which wasn't a very good idea. I was in the front row and I got soaked, but believe it or not, my dress actually dried pretty fast. And then after Splash Mountain, we went to Pirates of the Caribbean again to kill some time. And then after that, we also did a character meet and greet. We went to go meet Rapunzel and Tiana again. Rapunzel is actually my favorite princess. And then after that, we went over to Tomorrowland and went to get on the People Mover. And after that, we also went to do Stitch's meet and greet, and Stitch is also one of my favorite characters, so that was really fun. And I forgot earlier, we also took some pictures by the little well, and I'll insert the photos somewhere around here. We ate lunch at Cosmic Ray's Starlight Cafe, and I had a Mickey cheeseburger. It was okay, but I didn't finish it. But yeah, that was pretty much our morning and afternoon.
It brings a tear to my eyes, a tear to my eyes, to my eyes.
Grand Circle Tour of Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The people
We're back at Magic Kingdom. We met Ariel and we went on the ride again. And then we went to eat some nachos. And now we're going to Peter Pan for our Fast Pass.
Disney said that the Magic Kingdom is a world of imagination, hopes, dreams. In this timeless land of enchantment, magic, and make-believe are reborn. Fairy tales and jewels. The Magic Kingdom is a place for the young and the heart. A special place where intuition until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Thank you and